If you're watching this video, you're in for a treat, because in today's video, I will teach you exactly everything you need to know to start renting out Uhaul cargo vans so you can make up to $150 a day without even owning your own cargo van. Now, this video is going to be useful for a lot of those out there that is new to the transportation industry and that want to get started up, but that doesn't necessarily have the startup funds to get started in this business, because you got insurance down payments, you got cargo van down payments, and even monthly payments. And just to stay alive in the cargo van industry, it could cost you around $3,000 to $4,000 a month. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the steps you need to know to get started in this industry without even owning your own van. As well as I will show you 10 load boards that you can use to get started on your first day in the business to start making $100 to even $300 a day in the cargo van industry. My name's King Latta, and it's my job to teach you exactly everything you need to know the easiest way possible to start up your new business venture, whatever you want to do in entrepreneurship to start making yourself get financial freedom. I do teach credit, online business, how to start up drop shipping businesses, as well as I will even help you start up your drop shipping store in the link in the description. As well as we teach how to invest crypto and binary options, and of course how to get started in this trucking business the easiest way as possible. I've started up a cargo van and a box truck business at the age of 19. I even did dispatching, and I'm even thinking about getting my dump truck Class B license to show you guys the process on how you can get Class B license and start making $30 an hour without even having your own truck. But I know you guys probably think I'm talking too much, so let's get right into this video. The part one of the video is me gonna be showing you how you can get started in this business and all the requirements that you need to start picking up these loads. And then part two is gonna be these 10 load boards over here, plus a mystery load board at the end. So one bonus, so you're getting a total of 11 load boards, so you can start making this $100 to even $300 or $400, depending on your area, dollars in one day, man. So let's get right into it. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! So guys, over here on the Block Investors Group famous mini whiteboard, I know it probably looks like we're close up, but this thing is very small, man. It's like, probably 25 inches. But let's get right into it. These are the first things that you're going to need, and you're going to need your LLC, which comes with the EIN number. And with this, guys, for payment reasons and tax purposes, you're going to need to be printing out W-9s, and all you fill out on your W-9 is your name, your EIN number, and then your signature at the bottom. So after you do this first step right here, then on day 2, after you receive your EIN, all you have to do, guys, is go into your local bank, set up a business bank account, guys. And after you set up a business bank account, and I will teach you how you can start building up your business credit in the video right here. But along with the business bank account, I always stress to get a business phone number, because there's going to be so many businesses, brokers, dispatching companies, and factoring companies and load boards, everything just calling you guys to make sure you sign up with their services and pay them like a monthly fee or whatever. So get a business phone number so you can have all those calls limited. You won't be getting your phone vibrating in your pocket every day. So with that, guys, now on to number 3, and this is going to be your UCR, United Carrier Registration form. And guys, this is going to be a form to pretty much say that you can go state to state travel and not just stay in one state that your LLC is in. And all this information, by the way, is over on my previous video, my last video. I will put a card right here explaining on everything you need to do. So I'm just going to wipe through this real fast. Let's fast forward. So then you're going to want to get insurance, guys, number 4. And then for your insurance, you want to get 100K cargo liability, and this is going to be required for box truck and cargo van. But 100K cargo liability, you want auto liability, and also you want general liability. So on this commercial insurance, guys, what you're going to want to do is get a non-van Pacific policy. So what this non-van Pacific policy will do is that you don't have to have a truck, guys. You don't have to have a VIN number. No truck, no VIN. You don't have to have a VIN number for this non-van Pacific policy, meaning that you can put insurance, and so you can have the requirements that you need to start getting on these load boards right here, because this load board is going to ask you for insurance and what type of truck you drive and all of that. So this insurance policy will allow you to go ahead and get started with these load boards. So now, on to the load boards, man. I hope you guys caught that. If you didn't, go ahead, check out the previous video. Boom, right here. Literally the last video I dropped on how you can get started renting out a U-Haul. But anyways, on to the load board, guys. Up first, let's get into vlog mode real quick. Let me put my pen down. You know what I'm saying? Let's get into vlog mode. Woo, woo, woo. But anyway, so up first we have GoShare. GoShare is going to be number 1, guys. GoShare is a very good driving app. It's one of the best. That's why I put it as number 1. And you can get cargo van loads, pickup truck loads, even loads in your 4-door sedan with GoShare. Now, they do have a lot of requirements for your vehicle. Pretty much has to be a vehicle in tip-top shape, you know what I'm saying? you know, they're going to do a heavy inspection on you, and the inspection is going to be more steps than any of these load boards that you have. But if you have a vehicle with no lights on your dashboard, then you're pretty much all set, because I know that's a lot of problem. Like, somebody might not have tire sensors in their tires, and so their tire light is always going to be on. And so now you have to change out all 4 of your tires and put sensors in them just to get approved with GoShare. So yeah, everything pretty much has to be in tip-top shape for you to work with GoShare. And then for number 2, we have Roadie, guys. So Roadie is spelled like this. Roadie is also another top load board as well. And then, well, I'm saying load board, but it means driver app. You know, gig apps or whatever. I'm just used to the box truck and the semi-truck industry, where we work with strictly like load boards and private brokers and stuff like that. But for the third one, we have Curry Driver. Now, the thing about Curry Driver is, when you sign up with Curry Driver, they may send you some good loads, guys, but you're not going to get these loads every day, and you're not going to get multiple loads a day. You're going to only get, you know, loads every other day, every 3 days, but they're going to be good rates. So that's why Curry Driver is still a good one, because for this business, the Uhaul business, for this side hustle, guys, you will probably see the load posted on the app, and then you can schedule that load to pick it up, and the next day you can easily schedule yourself to rent out a U-Haul truck, because that's the beauty about renting out these U-Hauls. You can literally schedule 1 day in advance and rent out a truck for like $50 or more, depending on gas and miles and stuff like that. So then we have Amazon Flex, guys. Now, do your due diligence on Amazon Flex. Make sure that they do have openings in your spot, in your area, in your city. Then, guys, we do have Trulos, and on Trulos, that's also another good load board / gig app as well. And then we have 123 load board. Now, for number 6, 123 load board, I put that one. It is a load board, but they do have cargo van loads. And if you want to just see what type of rates is in the box truck and the semi-truck game, it's way more money in the box truck industry. And I can teach you how to make good money, you know, up to $1,000, even over $1,000 a day. My top highest paying day was $1,800 for only a 12-hour drive. And you can make this type of money in the box truck industry. And I will teach you even how to do box truck rentals over on this video right here, man. Explaining everything you need to know to do box truck rentals, and me in person renting out the truck and doing loads, guys. So check that video out. It's pretty popular. I know you're gonna like it. Anyways, on to the next one. Oh, and by the way, 123 load board is $35 a month, so it's actually not that expensive, because you can make $35 and 1/3 of a load. So you know, that goes that. And then we have Dolly. So we have Dolly is spelled like this. This is another good gig app. We have Shipped for number 8. Shipped spelled like this, guys. Go ahead and screenshot that. Then we got Freight. Then we got Shipley. Now these 4 gig apps right here, you know, they're pretty decent. You know, it's just good to always have under your belt, because if none of these 3, say you sign up with all 3 of these load boards, if none of these 3 have good loads for that day or even that week, maybe out of these 4 load boards, one of these load boards or gig apps will have some good loads for you to accept and take, guys. So you always just want to have multiple options. I say out of these 10 load boards, go ahead and get signed up with at least 5 of them. You know, go ahead and pick out which one you want. Which one has openings in your city is going to be the most important one, because not all of these load boards and gig apps are in every city, or even still accepting carriers in cities. So, or if they do have carriers in cities, it's oversaturated. So just do your due diligence, which one is the best in your city. And for the last one, the bonus one. But before we get into the bonus round, don't forget to check out the links in the description, where you can reach out with me to schedule a one-on-one coaching call, and I will help you start up your trucking business the easiest way possible, or even your online business, and even how to boost your credit, and even tips and tricks on how to start making money in this trading industry. Because, guys, you can literally make $1,000 to even $10,000 a day trading binary options. Also, don't forget to check out the YouTube memberships, where I do have an exclusive dispatching class. If you don't want to do any of the hard work driving, guys, you don't want to hop into the trucking business, but you're interested in hopping in the back end, I do have an exclusive dispatching class under the Trucker's Guide and the YouTube memberships, man. So go ahead and check out the YouTube memberships. Back to the video. Woo! The bonus round, we do have Courier Express. So you probably been seeing it. You probably already took a screenshot of it, you know, because you was copying the work before I got to the bonus round, because I already had it written. But we have Courier Express, guys. So with Courier Express, the thing about Courier Express is it is a load board, and it is dedicated lanes, and it is a gig app. It's whatever you need it to be. But You can ship things on here. You can also pick up shipments on here, and you can be working all sides on Carrier Express. So with Carrier Express, if you want to, cargo van, we're talking about Uhaul. So we're picking up loads from Carrier Express. They do have medical carrier loads, which pay premium rates, guys. And with Carrier Express, you can find dedicated lanes once you go to this dedicated. So let me tell you like this. Once you pick up a load from Carrier Express and you go to this medical carrying company, you go to this, nursing facility or whatever, they're gonna have probably loads every day that needs to be moved. And that's when you network yourself in there, shake a hand, and be like, hey, I'm your cargo van, man. You know what I'm saying? And that's all I gotta say about this video. Carrier Express, go ahead and look it up. That's the best one that I got for you out of all of these, 7. I'll put this at number 3 on the list. But yeah, man, if you like this video, don't forget to show your love. Hit the like button, you know what I'm saying? And then subscribe while you're at it, because we don't just do cargo van videos. We do credit, crypto, and we do online business. So make sure you like, subscribe. My name is King Latta. This is Black Investors Group. We out. Woo!
You talking money,